Hello, I'm Maddie Foster, the laboratory technician at Aquatic Control. Today, I'm going to show you our Phosphorus Management Essentials Test Kit and explain how this test kit can help plan and time nutrient remediation projects. The Phosphorus Management Essentials Kit tests for total phosphorus, reactive or ortho phosphorus, and turbidity. Total phosphorus includes all phosphorus forms that may be locked away inside algae or plants. Does your water look green? By quantifying total phosphorus, we can determine how much phosphorus can be found within algae, attached to sediment particles, or freely available in the water. Reactive phosphorus only quantifies what is freely available in the water. A majority of nutrient remediation products can only bind to this reactive portion of phosphorus. By comparing your total phosphorus and reactive phosphorus number, we can determine if it is a good time to apply a nutrient remediation product and how much product you need to neutralize what is present. Has your water body gotten harder to manage year after year, had more frequent algal blooms or more plant growth than usual? This kit can help you quantify the kinds of phosphorus that are driving summertime plants and algae growth. Additionally, this data can give you an exact dosage needed to neutralize reactive phosphorus and keep it from being accessible by plants and algae in the future. This kit gives you the important data needed to make an informed decision of exactly how much phosphorus binding can be done. Did you know that for every 1 pound of elemental phosphorus in your water body, that could equal up to 500 pounds of plant or algae growth? Our kit provides you everything you need to collect a sample from your water body with detailed sampling instructions, sample collection bottles, chain of custody form, nitrile gloves, and ice packs. Once you've collected the samples, just drop the kit off at your nearest UPS or FedEx location for next day shipping. Taking a sample is quick and easy. Samples can be collected off a dock or shoreline. If your water body is over 10 surface acres, we recommend taking more than one sample. Need help deciding where and how many samples to take? Give us a call. Lab results are translated into a report with thorough explanations of what each parameter means and how your total phosphorus to reactive phosphorus percentages impact whether remediation should be conducted. Based on results, we're happy to provide a proposal for nutrient remediation products and the proper dosage for your water body. Prefer to have a professional come out and apply a one-time nutrient remediation treatment? We are happy to provide treatment proposals. Ready to get your water tested? Purchase a Phosphorus Management Essentials Test Kit on our website today.